Hello everyone, Creeper here. Today I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on how to install XVM 5.0.0 test3.zip. Now just to show you a quick how it looks like, I do not have a garage setup, but as you can see we have some ping up here and there's some other things that have been installed with it. But I'm going to give you a complete tutorial on how to install it. So first of all, you want to go and close your World of Tanks, open up your internet. We'll just wait for it to load here. Go into your Google search bar and search XVM 5.0.0 test3.zip. Not test2. Okay, you look here. It'll be the first link. You're going to want to open that. And now you're going to click that. And just click open. And just wait a little bit. And you'll get this that pops up. Alright. Now when you're done with this, go and minimize this and you're here. Click start. And search for world. Then put your little underscore. And just wait, and it should pop up with it says World of Tanks. Alright, you want to drag us over here to make sure you can see both. Open your ResMods folder. This will not be in there. So what you'll do is you'll open this ResMods, you'll have an 8.8 in XVM. You'll simply take this 8.8 and drag it in. You will merge it. Check that box and click yes. Now click yes and move and replace. You're done with that. Now for XVM, what you would do is you would drag this in to this XVM. So you'll drag into here and you'll be left with this. I'm going to drag it onto my desktop so I can show y'all because my XVM is already set up. I'll just show y'all what y'all need to do in it. Alright, so you'll have it opened up. You'll be like this. Delete this file. Alright. Now, this is for your 6th Sense. If you want to change your 6th Sense, you can do it right there. Now, if you check in your mods, you'll find xvm.swf. Delete this. Alright, now you're going to head back. Open up your configs. And select at default. Now, when you're done with this, head back to the internet. Go to modxvm.com. Wait for it to load. Make sure you select English. Click Configuration Editor. The Configuration Editor allows you to change what you see in-game. The xvm.exe.sample is the sample one they give. But that sample will not work to show up stuff like stats. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the absolute necessities. First, change the language in the Common tab to EN for English. Under Player Statistics, check the box that says Enable Players Statistics. If you check Login, Enable Ping Servers, Hanger, click Show Per Vehicle Efficiency column and Enable Ping Servers. In Battle, delete this in the clock format. We will get to markers in a moment. Hotkeys, we don't have to worry about that. Now you go to Minimap. Don't worry about that. We'll get that in a moment. Show Chance to Win. Click that in the Loading tab. In the tab, you'll click it again. And the battle results, you will click it. So that is just for the player ratings and win chance and to fix some clock format problems along with ping servers. When you're done, you can just save it and then you can just go to wherever your where your world of tanks is. I put mine in pictures. You'll open your ResMods XVM and you would save it in there. So at that point, when you're done with that, you go and minimize this. When it's in there, right click rating.xc. We'll click it and then right click it. Click rename. Change the XC extension to TXT. Open it. Now you'll find it says show player statistics and it says false. Highlight false and change it to true. And hit Control S. That will save it and you're done. So that's all you have to do to get XVM to work. Make sure your ResMods looks like that. In the XVM, you'll have your xvm.xc here. Alright, for those of you that are still here, there's a personalized setting that I have. This setting, it kind of changes a little bit of stuff here. We'll open it up. You can open up your XC with this. We'll open it. Now, if you notice, my setup is a little bit different. First of all, we have the heavy tank icon and that icon for tank destroyer. And right above it, we have player name 123 in their clan. That's the player in their clan. Right above that, we have the health bar, the vehicle name, the vehicle, the contour icon, the tier. And if you see that little asterisk, that means that it is stock. So also, that is what I've already shown you. I've already shown you that. I've shown you that. In battle, make sure you have that away. Now we'll start with markers. Basically what I did was I have that for enemy. That's the health bar. Damage text you can leave alone. The contour icon, I have that visible and I put it at X for 3 and Y for -56. I don't enable clan icons because I don't think they're really useful since you already know the clan name. Level icon, which is vehicle tier, I have at X 0, Y -62. Action marker, you should have that visible at -67. In text fields, I added 2 of them. The vehicle name is at Y of -36. Current health is -20. I added one with player name. You'll click the plus sign, then you'll be left with this. In the name, you will put player name. Make sure it's Y of -9. Change the text format. You'll just click there and you'll click Nick. That's all you have to do there. And for stock, it shows that little apostrophe. You put stock -11, -52. Text format, you'll do turret. Shows you if they're stock or not. Hotkeys, I enable minimap zooming so you can do your quick little attention to blah blah blah. Hit log, you can just leave that alone. Capture bar, you can leave that alone. Minimap, make sure you have the centered zoom minimap on. Enable maximum unit draw square in SPG. Basically, that shows your maximum, I believe, view range and spotting range. You can leave the loading alone. In the tab, Players Panel 1, just make sure click the Enable Spotted SAS marker so you know who in the enemy has not been spotted. For example, it would say that, say it says there's 10 people who have been spotted, which means there's 5 who have not been spotted. That means let's say there's one flank that your entire team hasn't been on, a maximum of 5 enemies could be there, so that's useful information. Players Panel 2, you can leave that alone. Battle results, you already know that. Colors 1, you can change that if you want. We'll get to colors 2 in a second. Just right now. This is for the rating system. Now, I made my own personalized rating system, and this correlates with the Win 7 rating. So this is by Win 7 scale. I did a little fun math stuff. Instead of having 6 colors, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 colors to correlate with the Win 7. For the Win 7, I combined good and very good into green. So these all correlate with Win 7 because in XVM it does not say Win 7. It says Win 6, but it does not say Win 7. The XVM scale right here shows you, basically this is a complete correlation with the Win 7. So we have a total of 8 colors. The first one is dark red, second light red, third is orange, fourth is yellow, fifth is green, sixth is light blue, the seventh one is light pink, and the eighth one is dark pink. So for the dark red, that basically lets me know, hey, this is a really, really bad player. I have them at 18. Now I have not as dark a red. I says they're bad, but they're not terrible. That's 25 or less, between 25 and 18. Orange says that they're below average, 25, 32, less than 32. Yellow shows their average, 39. Green, 54 or less, which is good. Blue shows a great player, which is where I would be, around the 61 area, which would correlate to around 1500 to, I think, 1700 on Win 7. Might be wrong there. Now, here's the thing for Unicoms. I separated them into two groups. Some people are Unicoms, and some are like legendary Unicoms, really, really good ones. So I turned them into two class. Between 71 and 61 is the light Unicom. Pretty much you're like a light Unicom, essentially. And anything less than 101 but more than 71 I consider a good Unicom. That would transfer to about a 2000 on Win 7. So this is all correlated with Win 7. You can copy this if you want. And once you're done with all this, you can just save it to however you did it. And when you're done, it would show up in your World of Tanks. Don't need that. Okay, and if you want, you can make sure to empty your recycle bin to make the computer a little bit faster. So